Okay, so we're going to have a little bit of fun today with some saffron. So saffron, I'm not going to go into all the details, but it's basically from the inside of a flower. It's actually a sexual part of a flower. And what we do is tend to use it for some flavour and some colour in a lot of dishes. And I was making a paella today, so I thought I'd just do this little show and we'll see if there's any difference. So on the left hand side, we've got 1 gram of Spanish saffron, and then we've got an Iranian saffron, and then we've got a second Iranian saffron of a higher quality. I think the smell from this one is incredible. This is really good. That's good. But when you sniff this one, your nose tells you that's amazing. Now let's see what happens with colour. So let's put in a little bit. I've just got some warm tap water. We'll try a little bit of Spanish saffron in the water. Just dropped at the top. And we'll have similarly a little bit of the Iranian on the top. There we go. And we'll have a little bit of the higher quality Iranian. Just put a little bit more in to be fair. There we go. And we've got the 3. Now then, what I'm going to do is just give that a little mix. This one a little mix. This one a little mix. Now, can we see any difference? Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move the jars out of the way so we can really see. Now what's happening with colours? It's all looking fairly similar. So let's give them a bit more time, which is okay. You can stick with the finger. Now colour wise, interestingly, this one in the warm water that smells phenomenal kind of looks more clear. I don't know, let's look. Let's get it up a little closer. So you can see a little bit of yellow at the bottom. This one. It's not a massive difference. This one though, really, this has just not come out at all really, but as I said, the smell, if I sniff them, is very different. Let's try a bit more scientific test. Let's just get a bit of white paper. Oh, now that's easier, isn't it, to see? So if we look at that, you can see, can't you, that this one that should be the most expensive, that smells the most amazing so far, has not particularly given off the same yellow. So these two have given off a lot of yellow. This one though, it's just not yet yielded it. Ah, hold on, it's starting to come out. Maybe we just need to do a little bit more stirring. So we'll let's have a think. You see the colour's starting to come out now. We're getting a bit better colour. Let's see. Let's have a look. Go back a touch. That middle one's doing quite well. I may have ended up with slightly more scientifically, unfortunately, in the middle one. I don't know. Let's give it a proper little stir. Because that may help actually. Another stir here. Another stir here. So definitely very different colours. What I'm going to do, out of interest, I'm going to go back to this one. I'm just going to put a little bit more. I think probably I've not actually put as much. Let's see if that actually makes the difference. And we'll see. It could be that it's just the particular fronds just weren't giving off as much. Let's see. Well, they're all quite even. This one's not as. This one and this one's very similar. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to have a sip. Flavour profile, not a lot. Not a lot. Ooh. This flavour aroma is much better. Interesting. So when you sniff this one, it's lost the aroma that it had got. And if I sniff, I'm smelling really not a lot but water. This one that's the Iranian, I'm getting a really floral sort of smell. And now this one that should be the more expensive, that's a really nice smell from it. But interestingly, like we said, the colours, it's taking a while. See, I think they're now coming through. This one's come through, but I did put a bit more in. So definitely then, looking at the situation, over a little bit of time, all three saffrons come out a similar colour, but the Iranian saffron, these two, have a better aroma. So although this saffron that I bought in Costco has a really nice sort of pot, and it says pure and finest, but it's imported obviously from Spain, compared to this, which these two, I picked up these little jars in the spice souk in Dubai. These were 5 grams, I think it's about €8 maybe. It was virtually nothing to buy, it was so cheap. I haggled the guy down and they were very cheap, both of them. I bought the extra one here because I just happened to go past another shop and thought, well, I'll have some more. So if you're going to Dubai, buy some Iranian saffron. It's pretty good stuff.